Well, good morning, everyone. David Cook coming at you from our shop. And what we are doing is replacing cabinet doors. So this customer had these type of doors, and they're melamine, which is MDF wrapped, like heat wrapped. It's almost like a, I don't know if you remember Shrinky Dinks. It's a plastic coating that is heat wrapped onto MDF. So these started coming apart a couple places where it's been bubbling. And on the doors, it's starting to peel it apart, especially the refrigerator panels. One of the lower one where the water tray is, this whole thing is coming apart. So we were able to replace them. We found a Amish cabinet maker in Wisconsin that was able to make us doors, and they wanted a shaker style, so that is what we gave them. So we have repainted them into Simply White by Benjamin Moore, fronts and backs. These were raw wood cabinets. So painting raw wood cabinets, kind of tricky because as they're raw wood, they've never been touched, so you're sanding all the existing burrs and stuff that happens when they're putting them together. And then after you've sanded them, we're putting a initial primer on there. And once we put that primer, the primer has to be sanded down. We spray them again, we sand them down, put a coat of paint, sand them down, and then final coat. So these things turned out, I mean, I don't know, that is about as perfect as I think we're gonna get for spraying cabinets. They turned out just amazing. So we are waiting to install, as we had two doors that were the wrong size. I sent the wrong measurements in. So we're waiting for two more doors to go in, and then just scheduling to get these installed, and we'll post another video after we're done and have a couple of the doors with us so you can kind of see what the kitchen looked like before and after. But if you have questions about not just repainting your kitchen cabinets, but if you're tired of maybe this oak style and you're ready for a shaker door, we can help you with that. I'll look forward to seeing how we can help you love the space you're in with brand new kitchen cabinets. Thanks. Hope you guys have a great weekend. This is Dave Cook, DeFranco Finishes. Give us a call if you have any questions.